Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2017 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with only 1,199 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with Reinhardt slip-on mufflers and comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, and reverse. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the TRIGLIDE offers dependable power with 114 foot-pounds of low-end torque. If you're looking for a powerful factory trike with classic styling and comfortable amenities, the TRIGLIDE would be a great option. It has a seat height of 27.1 inches and a dry weight of 1,204 pounds. This vehicle has received our premium service in detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.